Hello and welcome back to my cave. Today we're going to be working on issue 6 of Build the Ghostbusters Ecto-1. First up we have stage number 15, and first we need to assemble the both suspension arms, and we begin by putting this bracket on the arm like so, with two EM screws like so, and we put the bump stop into here with an GP screw like so, and then we do the same with the other arm with two EM screws like so, and then we put this in. And if I'm making the same mistake as last time, please yell at me in the comments, but I think this is the correct way. And we put two EM screws like so, and then we need the chassis, and we put this arm onto the chassis like so with two HM screws, and it looks like it's the correct way now, like so. And then we put the other arm on here with two brackets and four IM screws like so, and now arms are free to move. Put that to the side, and we take the upright and the back side of the brake drum, put that in here, with two EM screws like so, and then we take the outer brake drum, line it up like so, and use 3 HP screws like so, and then we take our chassis and that goes on here with an JM screw like so. Then we lift this up, put the spring, in place, and the this goes together with an IM screw. You might need a PH1 screwdriver to tighten that one. Then if it's too tight, just slightly slacken it off, and maybe on both sides. Now that is free to move. Then we put the shock tower in here and put an HM screw like so, and then need to take the tie rod and put that in here with an HM screw, like so, and finally we attach that on the other side with a KM screw, like so, and that is different suspension done, and at stage 15 complete. And now we have stage number 16. First up we take the stabilizer bar and put these linkages on them with BP screw, one on either end. And suppose that's done, that like so. And then we take the chassis and this goes in here, and we touch the bar with another two BP screws. Then we take the mounting brackets. They have a locating lock and they just go on here, and the other one goes in here. And they are attached with 4 BM screws, like so. Then you take this bracket and this arm, put that together with a KM screw, like so. And that attaches to the under the chassis in here with a LM screw, like so. And on the other side we put a DM screw between the arm and the rod, like so. And if it's too tight, again just loosen it slightly, and these are free to move. Then working under the chassis again, we put this bracket in here, and next to the suspension we put a LM screw, and at the back we put a DM screw, like so. And then we take the pinion, then we take the pinion gear and put that in here, and then we take this arm in here, and we put one DM into the pinion and one DM into the steering linkage, like so. And again, if it's tight, just loosen it. And now we make sure the wheels are lined up straight. And we take the steering column with the flat side facing. There's a flat spot on the end, and that needs to face down. And then we put the cover housing on top with DM screws on the inside and screws on the outside. Like so. Or no. Now you should be able to turn the wheel if you can get a grip on the steering column. And now is a big moment. Take the chassis and the engine we done and put that in like so, and then we put it all upside down and two LM screws that go in here and a single LM screw in the gearbox. And that is the engine mounted. And then we need to take these two wires and put them between the power steering pump and the steering box. Those were fiddly, but now they're in. And finally we take the wheel we did early and put that in, and the hubcap. And that is held in with an LM screw, like so. And that is stage number 16 complete. And now we have stage number 17. And in this stage we're going to be working on the right front wheel and we put one side of the wheel in here and the other side on the other side. And that is held in with 3 CM screws, like so. If only the Eleanor wheels were that easy. But then we need the chassis again, because the wheel is going straight onto the car. And then we line up the hubcap, and that is held in with a single LM screw. And same as on the other side, I'm not gonna put the center hub in until the end when I'm happy with the tires. Now we just have 2 things left. We need to put this brick wire from the break drum. Past the engine and onto the brake distributor. Like so. And do the same to the other wheel. Like so. That is stage number 17 complete. It's getting bigger. And finally, we have stage number 18, which is mostly this heavy piece. The instructions want us to put these brackets on the end, one on each side, but in the experience of other builders, these will snap off when the body is stored on the chassis, so I'm not gonna put them on until the end. So now we just need to take the chassis and put the front piece on here. That is held in with 4 DM screws. Now that is attached to the front. Now we just need to put it upside down, and we need to put these brackets onto the underside with an HM screw each, like so. And that is stage number 18 complete, and that is issue number 6 complete. It's only gonna get bigger. And thanks for watching. See you next time.